Hello, my Leo Virgo cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of October 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of We Brought to Live family. If you belong to my zodiac sign settings, hang on for some more time. Shortly we'll upload a reading for you. This is for my cusp babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and from the 21st to the 31st. Let's go. Angels and spirit guides. First 10 days, please, for my darlings. We begin with sharing, breakthrough, courage, comparison, and mind. You have a good week, okay, but your mind is playing some tricks because you have a duality, okay. You have been comparing yourself with someone, or there is someone else that you are having unwanted conflicted thoughts. Don't give up on yourself, because a stable connection will build up. Finance flow is coming in. You need to keep putting in that hard work. Rather, I would say, take that leap of faith, okay. But there's a lot of anger outbursts, so please take care of what you eat, okay. This is exactly what it's trying to say. Rest. You have a beautiful first 10 days starting up for you. Apologies for that glare, my love. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th, that is 20. Yeah. Okay, let me take the cards down a little so that the glare just kind of goes a little low to my darling's eyes. Okay, we begin with harmony, exhaustion, the source, postponement, and innocence. So intimacy plays a very important role. It's all about aces. So new beginnings are starting up, okay. Emotionally you can be happy, but there's a duality between the heart and mind. You guys have the duality within. You are my cusp, right? Exhaustion and postponement. If you see, you have a tendency to think, okay. So stop thinking. At times rest up, surrender to the divine, avoid any delays, and yes, there are good things coming in your life. So enjoy the simplicity of life. Beautiful things are lined up, but I think it's up to you how you handle it. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 31st. We begin with we are the world, sorrow, and ordinariness. So what is it trying to say? You have good things. I mean, a full circle is coming towards you. Happiness is embracing, finance flow, you will travel, good things are coming. Whatever hard work you put in, finally you're reaping the benefits. But that sorrow is killing you. Give a pat on your back. It's okay. Don't stress. Probably you might feel alone. Don't worry. Universe is supporting you. Now let's seek some guidance from your angels. Angels and spirit guides. Message for this month. Entrepreneur. So you want to start something of your own, darling? This is the right time. Work on your leadership quality. Don't give up on yourself. Rack your brains with like-minded people, especially from that profession. Initially you had issues, but now you can resolve because you have money flow coming towards you. So probably that's a startup. Now let's come to your love life. Let's see what's coming. He began with photograph, paradise, and stabbed in the back. So there is somebody who seems to be in a separation with you, a sudden surprise or a heartbreak, a pain is coming up. Maybe those memories could resurface just because you're getting nostalgic about someone. So telling, I would say avoid doing that. It's in your hands, but ideally I would say avoid doing that, and start allowing new energies to walk in your space. There is a part of you that is still unhealed or you're missing out on. So maybe that's the reason that push and pull effect is happening. But if you are already together, God bless you, enjoy each other's company. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. We have house and poverty. So both are trying to tell you it's nothing like losing out on money, but it's all about poverty consciousness and house. Something related to house could be like a renovation or moving out or buying a new house or something. Few things which do not serve good for you in the house, letting go of all those moments as in those photographs, those clothes, whatever it is, just give it off. Maybe that is what it's trying to say. And avoid having any poverty consciousness. You can achieve, because as I always say, whenever you feel you have a problem, there is a solution also. So look out for that solution rather than getting into the blame game. So how should I sum up this month for you? Well, stop overthinking, or I think you have a tendency to overthink. You have good things coming up, finance is coming towards you, you are traveling, emotionally also you can be happy, but there is a part of you that is still not happy. So I think you need to work on that part of yours. Success is definitely embracing. Your angels are asking you to work on your leadership quality. At the matters of heart, if you could stop looking at those old pictures because somebody has backstabbed you or that part is still unhealed, maybe that is why it is resurfacing in every part of your life. If you are together, it's high time that you start spending time with each other. Well, what is important in this month is spending time with family, working on your house, could be a renovation or something on those lines, and let go of that poverty consciousness. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.